Hi you guys, I am slightly brain dead at the moment because I got home from school tonight and I immediately started editing, which I normally try not to do. I try to give myself like a little break between like schoolwork and then like my actual work, if that makes any sense. Like I like to come home from school and like go on TikTok for a little bit, relax for a little bit, and then get into the work that I have to do. But tonight that wasn't an option because I had to finish a video that I'm literally uploading right now as I'm talking. With this whole vlogmas thing, it's crazy. I'm trying to upload every other day, and today's an upload day and I didn't have a video ready because last night I was just too tired. I could not finish the video. So my whole plan was to come home from school today, edit it, and post it. So that's what we're doing right now. It's currently 5 p.m. and tonight I'm just gonna be filming a super cozy little winter night routine, basically taking you guys through a little vlog of what I do after school. I feel like I've filmed this video so many different times, but at this point it's just like a normal day in my life, like night in my life. So I hope you enjoy. My routine is always changing. I'm about to go get my nails done in a little bit, so I'll bring you guys with me for that. And then I need to make dinner, I need to shower, I need to do some more work. I think I'm gonna do an updated skincare routine in this video too, just because a lot of you guys have been asking. I've been pretty consistent with the products that I've been using on my face, so I might do that. This was today's outfit. This is a Chanel sweatshirt. It's actually from Etsy. I love finding crew necks on Etsy that are like super cute little embroidered like prints. So adorable. So this is from Etsy, and then I'm just wearing some Lulu Align leggings like usual. I have recently just given up trying for outfits like at school. I just cannot do it. I wear sweatpants or leggings every single day with a sweatshirt, and that is just how it's gonna be probably for the rest of the time that I have. I also think that I need to clean my room tonight. It's not overly messy. I've been doing a very good job at keeping it pretty clean, but just like every single day, this kind of stuff accumulates. Like those are the sweatpants I wore to bed last night, the sweatshirt, my coat, my bed isn't made. I'm literally such a weirdo. I hate sleeping on like regular sheets. So I have this super fuzzy blanket that I lay and kind of like tuck under my mattress and stuff and create a sheet out of, but it's pissing me off because it always like gets untucked because it's not actually supposed to be here. So literally every single night I have to retuck it. Okay, I do not know why you can't see the time on my phone, but it's currently 5:13 and my nail appointment is at 5:30, so I should get going. I think that I'm gonna do this with my nails. How do we feel? I feel like it's very basic and also like kind of like, I don't know how I feel. Like, I feel like it's out of style. Like I feel like this is something that I would have gotten in like 2019. You know what I mean? I literally hate filming videos at night because like the lighting is just terrible, and I feel like when the lighting of a video is bad, I don't want to watch it. Hopefully that's not the case for you guys. Hopefully you don't mind too much because the sun literally sets at 3 p.m. now, so there's not really much else I can do. I don't know. I was just complaining about the lighting and I always forget that I have this like light that like connects to my camera, but now it just kind of looks like I'm filming one of those like ghost hunting videos. You know what I mean? Like I'm just giving off Ghostbusters vibes. It's kind of nice though, like if I go somewhere where it's dark. Okay, wait, this is low-key really nice for the dark. Oh my god. This looks terrifying. My mom got me this little elf. Don't worry, it's not an elf on the shelf, so I can touch it. Okay, y'all, my dumbass forgot my phone. My phone is at my house. My appointment is in 3 minutes, but I need my phone because I need the picture of the nails that I'm getting. I don't understand where my phone went. I'm so confused. Okay, you guys, I just got home from getting my nails done. I'll show you them in a second. I did intend on filming, like originally, I intended on filming in there and like showing me get my nails done, like picking out my colors and stuff. The fact that I forgot my phone at home and I had to turn around and then go back, I was like almost 15 minutes late. I just felt really bad. I didn't want to like take up any more of their time by like trying to film and stuff, so I just said screw it. But I got my nails done. The picture that okay, wait, I hate the lighting in here. I'm gonna show you them inside. This is how they turned out. I didn't intend on getting chrome. I intended on just doing like that maroon color, like the picture, but they got this new chrome color in and I wanted to do it. I honestly don't love, like I don't love them, but they're okay. While I was gone, my dad grilled some chicken for me because I wanted to make pasta tonight, and I think I want to do that. I was gonna like get home and shower, but I'm just starving, so I'm gonna make the food now. Now it is 8:02. I need to shower. I need to do my skincare. I need to make sure my room is clean. And then I need to do maybe a little bit of reading for a class. Although I probably should start editing this video because this is the next one that needs to go up. We'll just see. We'll see if I have time. We'll see how things go. I do need to edit a TikTok really quickly. I filmed it this morning. It was me like trying heatless curls. I posted the first part, which was filmed last night, and then I'm about to post the second part, which like shows the results. So I'm gonna quickly edit that. It should only take me like 4 or 5 minutes to do. But guys, I have been so much more active on TikTok recently because I just like, I love it now. I used to be like, oh my god, TikTok, I hate TikTok, but TikTok is so fun. Okay, you guys, I just got out of the shower and I put some Christmassy boxers on and this t-shirt. Usually during the winter time, I'm just like bundled up in hoodies and sweatshirts when I go to bed, but for some reason I am like overheating right now, so we're wearing this. I'm gonna quick put in my hair products before my hair gets too dry. This is the Lanza Keratin Healing Oil. I do like 2 pumps and spread it throughout my hair. And then I'm going in with this Lanza oil. This is the Neem Plant Silk Serum. I just do like a single pump of that. And then the Olaplex Bonding Oil. This is the number 7 bonding oil. I'm almost out and I need to get more because I love this stuff. And then this is my newest product. It's not that new, but I haven't talked about it that much. It is the Lanza Healing Color Care Trauma Treatment. This is basically just like a leave-in conditioner. A little goes a long way with this stuff. You really just need like the tiniest amount. Okay, now that I have all of my hair products in, I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare. I'm also going to be filming this for my TikTok at the same time, so if I'm looking down at all, that's why. So I actually already washed my face in the shower with the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. I have been using this cleanser for so long. It's one of my favorites. I've tried the other one from CeraVe. I've tried like the blue bottle, the like original one, if you guys know what I'm talking about. For some reason I'm blanking on the name of it, but it's just like the blue face wash bottle. I love that one too, but this one is great because I have dry skin and it's hydrating supposedly, so I love it. The next step is toner, but it's not technically a toner. It's literally a BHA liquid exfoliant. This is the Paula's Choice exfoliant. Perfect. All right. I don't use this every single day. I use this just a couple times a week. So I just take the product and I dab some of it on here and I just wipe it on my face like this. Okay, after I rub that all over my face, I go in with the Caudalie, I don't know if that's how you say it, Skin Perfecting Serum. I literally just need to look up how to say the name of this brand because I've never been able to learn or get it right, and I use their products constantly. I just take a nice, holy shit, I'm not wasting it. It all landed on here, so I'm just gonna wipe that on my face. Rub that in. And then I go in with this product. This is the Biosin Squalene plus Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. I don't exactly know what this is, but I love how it makes my skin feel, and I know that squalene is really good for your face. And then I use this CeraVe Eye Repair Cream under my eyes as my eye cream. I just do like 2 little lines and blend it in. The last and final step is the Biosin Squalane plus Omega Repair Cream. I don't always use this moisturizer. Sometimes I just use the CeraVe one, but this is super moisturizing and great for the winter months, so I have been loving this, and I just douse my face in it. I'm gonna go in with the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. I feel like at this point, everybody knows how great this stuff is. I don't really think I need to explain myself or why I'm using this. Sorry, I feel like I'm giving too much attention to my phone right now, but I'm showing you the products I'm using. I don't know what else you want. Okay, now that my hair care and my skincare and my shower and all that is out of the way, I'm gonna clean my room finally. It's really not that messy like I said, but I just need to pick some things up. I feel like I say that in every single freaking video. Beautiful! I honestly might turn my lights off now. I feel like that's not terrible. Like, does the lighting look like shit now, or is it kind of like a cozy little vibe? I don't know what to do. What time even is it? Where's my phone? It's 9:30. 9:27 to be exact. I grabbed a chocolate. I just ran downstairs so quickly to grab that chocolate, and I forgot that my water's almost gone. So I'm gonna run downstairs again. I ate my chocolate and I went and I filled my water bottle, and I think I'm going to edit now, even though I really don't want to. I'm just so not in the mood. But you gotta do what you gotta do. 'Cause I'm beautiful. Bring me down. Oh no. It's been a little bit. So basically I edited for a while and I got like a majority of the beginning of this video done, which is really like relieving because now I don't have to worry about it so much tomorrow. And then I went and I filmed a TikTok of this heatless curl, this little heatless curl hack. It's super easy. I do it all the time and I love the way that it makes my hair look. So go over to my TikTok if you want to see how I did this. I got really cold and that's why I'm wearing my huge comfy inside out actually, because I thought it was cuter like this. It's currently 10:46 and I'm not tired at all, but I know I should go to bed soon. I make myself so mad because all day I was so tired and now I'm like wide awake and it makes absolutely no freaking sense to me. I think I might just go brush my teeth and then hop in bed and read. And if I can't focus on my reading, because sometimes I have a hard time focusing when I'm reading, if I can't seem to focus on my reading, then I'll just continue editing until I go to bed. But honestly, like this night routine is kind of getting wrapped up and I feel like it was really short. But this is just like the reality of what I do on school nights, I guess. I put a different sweatshirt on because I was too hot. My camera is currently moving because you guys are on a very unstable surface. But I'm going to brush my teeth. I might have made a mistake. I don't remember what I exactly said to you last time, but I think I said I was gonna go brush my teeth and then edit more or read a book. I ended up sitting in my bed for 24 minutes on TikTok live. So now I'm finally brushing my teeth. It's almost 11:30. I didn't get any more editing done. I literally barely got like, it's okay. I'm not gonna stress out over it. We're literally on a floating rock. It doesn't work. I used to tell myself like nothing matters, we're on a rock, and it actually did help me, but now it doesn't really help me. I'm still stressed out. Whether we're on a floating rock or not, as much as I wish nothing mattered, things do matter. But like at the same time, nothing matters, which is crazy. I don't know. I'm gonna go into like a whole existential crisis if I keep talking about this. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay, I just finished brushing my teeth and I also put some fake tan on my face just so that I don't look too pasty in the morning. It's currently 11:27. I desperately want to go to bed because I've been so tired the last couple of days. Thanks so much for watching. I know that this was kind of a short little night routine, but it's also very realistic for after school. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on your post notifications, go check out my other social media platforms. I'm exhausted, but I love you and I will see you in the next episode of Vlogmas. Bye-bye.